share with you how to reclaim your screens.
So go ahead and grab some screens that need to be reclaimed, and the only supplies you're going to need is a power wash or something that has very high pressure water flow, and then emulsion stripper and something to scrub your screens with. I do have these supplies listed in the description. I'm going to start out by just pouring a little emulsion stripper on all of the screens. Then I'll take my scrubber and really scrub them all down well and flip them over and do the same thing to the other side. Once you finish, you can let them sit for a minute, but do not let the emulsion stripper dry on your screen. Once you finish, grab your power wash and you're gonna start spraying them down. You'll notice on some, depending on the emulsion type or how many layers of emulsion you had, it's gonna spray off really easy, while others you're gonna need to get up close and really get that pressure on the screen. I have occasionally had to do a second layer of emulsion stripper, scrubbing it all over, but that doesn't happen too often. Just make sure to have a high pressure water source. Do not skip out on that, and really scrub them down well and get up close with the power wash if you need to. Do this until they are cleaned and ready to be reused.
And that is all there is to it. Hopefully this video helps make it an easier process for you. I remember making a few mistakes along the way. The first time I started reclaiming, number one, thinking I could do it without a power wash, and that might work sometimes, but in my experience, it just caused for a very big mess. So again, hopefully this saves you some time, and good luck reclaiming. If you have any other questions, feel free to drop a comment below, and then everything I mentioned in this video is also linked in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye!